Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we are going to talk about truthy and falsy values in JavaScript. So understanding the difference between these two types of values is essential for writing reliable and bug-free code. So let's get started. Firstly, understand what are truthy and falsy values. So in JavaScript, every value is either truthy or falsy. So a truthy value is a value that is considered true when evaluated in a boolean context. So boolean context means like when we are checking for some condition, is it true or false? Let's suppose in if condition or somewhere in ternary operator, lots of position where we treated it as a boolean context, right? So on the other hand, similarly a falsy value is a value that is considered false when evaluated in a boolean context, similar as I have shared to you for the truthy context. All right, so I will take you to the deep dive for falsy value firstly and then truthy value. So let's jump to falsy value first. As you can see on my screen, I have written few values for, so these are basically falsy values. Okay, all right. One second. So falsy value, right? Let me remove it from here. The value, all the six values that are mentioned over here will be treated as falsy value. So falsy value, I have already given you the context. So falsy value, when we will evaluate a condition. So let me take you to a file, a JavaScript file I have already created. So here, let's suppose I'm checking for a condition, right? And I'm giving any of the value that are mentioned over here for falsy value. Let's suppose I'm gonna take undefined. So undefined is a falsy value, right? So I will just put undefined over here and I will log something, right? My name. Let's suppose my name over here. So if the value is false, then this if condition won't execute, as we already know, because in order to execute this block, this value has to be what? Truthy value, right? So this Nitish will not print it on the screen. But let's suppose I have added one more log over here, hello. So it will be printed on the screen. Let me confirm it. I'm gonna run this program. So as you can see, hello is printed, but Nitish is not printed on the screen. Why? Because this undefined value is what? Falsy value. That's why this condition won't execute. So let me take one more value, falsy value. I'm gonna take this empty string. So what is empty string? So a value that has empty string. Let me take an example. Const, I'm gonna take a, and I have this empty string. Empty string means we do not have any alphabet, any string inside this single or double quote. So it will be treated as what? Empty string. So if I check this, I give a over here, so I'm passing this empty string for this condition. So as we know that empty string is what? Falsy value. So this condition again won't execute. This Nitish will not be printed again. Let me confirm this. So let me again rerun the project. Program. So as you can see, hello has been already printed on the screen, but not the Nitish. So if I change this value to, let's say, 78. So 78, it's a number. So it will not come from all these value listed over here. So if I run this program now, so it will print Nitish as well as hello also. Why? Because this 78 is a number and this number is treated as truthy value. So what are all those truthy values? So truthy value will be the value apart from all the values that are mentioned over here. If a value is not an empty string, if a value is not zero, if a value is not a number, if a value is not null, if a value is not undefined, or if a value is not false. So apart from all these values mentioned over here will be treated as what? Truthy value. So truthy value I have already mentioned over here. So these all are truthy values. So values can be more than that. So our understanding is very clear about this. So if a value apart from these value mentioned over here will be treated as what? Truthy value. Let's suppose I'm gonna take non-empty string. So non-empty string, let's suppose I'm gonna write something in this string over here. Let's say Thakur. And now I'm gonna take this A as a condition. So now if we can understand this, so A has something, some value, some string. It means it's not non-empty string. So if it is not non-empty string, so it will be treated as what? It will be treated as what? Truthy value. Truthy value. And if it is truthy value, then it will run this log and this log as well, because this condition has been what? Successfully executed. Why? Because this value is true, right? So let me confirm it again. So as you can see, Nitish and hello has been printed on the screen successfully. So our context was so clear about it. So if a value comes under all these six values, then it will be falsy, and if it doesn't, then it will be truthy value. And if the value is truthy, condition will run successfully, it will execute the if condition, right? So I have already shown you by confirming, by checking this. And so we have come to conclusion of this video. So we have understood the concept of truthy and falsy. So understanding this concept is really essential for writing reliable and bug-free code. You will come across many such scenarios. So if you have any question or comments, please let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.